Welcome to Northside ISD. In this video, we're going to look at your daily login steps and how to access assignments in Schoology. You'll need to navigate to the Northside portal, mynisd.nisd.net. If you're on a Northside Chromebook and you open the Chrome browser, you should land here automatically. You'll need to log in with your S number. This is also used in the cafeteria and in the library, and your 4x4 as your password. If you need that information, your S number and your 4x4, contact your campus. When you click Login, this is going to authenticate you or sign you in to the portal. There are a lot of important tiles here, so let's take a quick tour. You're going to notice that there are several Google tiles, if you will: Gmail, Calendar, Drive. Northside is a Google Apps for Education district, so those tools are available to all students. You have the eSchool Plus Hack tile. This is where you come to see all of your grades and averages for your classes. This is the grade book. You also have CMS Student. When a teacher assigns a benchmark test for you to take, you'll need to come to the CMS Student tile to complete the test. You will find directions when your teacher assigns this in Schoology. There will be some other tiles here that link to tools, Northside databases in the library, as well as digital textbooks. This is the student homework support tile. Tutoring with a live teacher is offered in the evenings and on weekends. To access or sign up for this service, you can click the tile here in your portal. If you have a Northside device checked out to you, an iPad or a Chromebook, and you need a repair, you can click the device repair tile to request that. There is also a Schoology support tile. We'll look at Schoology in just a moment. This is our learning management system, and if you're having access issues or Schoology isn't working correctly, you can click this tile to get support. Now, let's talk about your daily login sequence. This is what you need to do every day when you log in on the portal. The first thing, and the order is important, is to open Gmail and also to sign in or authenticate through. Once you've signed in, you'll leave that tab open and you'll navigate back to the portal. The next thing you'll need to do is click on Zoom Students. Zoom is a platform that you will use to attend all of your classes. It's important to authenticate through on the Zoom tile from the portal so that you are signed in to the Northside domain in Zoom. You'll leave that tab open just like you did for Gmail and navigate back to the portal. Now you're ready for the third step. You'll sign in to Schoology. As I mentioned earlier, Schoology is our learning management system. You'll see a tile here for each one of your classes. This is where your teachers will post all of their work and you'll access your assignments and turn it in. Your tiles are likely going to be in a random order. For ease of use, I recommend ordering these tiles in first period, second period, third period sequence. You'll notice at the end of the title on each tile, there is a dash and then a 2-digit number. This represents the class period. PE-01, that means this is first period. Texas History-02, it's second period. To reorder your tiles, you can just use a drag and drop. Once you have your tiles ordered in the correct sequence, you're ready to access your work. To enter any of your courses, simply click on the tile. Inside each course, you should see a welcome message from your teacher, followed by that class's specific link for the Zoom meeting. So you'll come here every day to click this link to join your Zoom meeting. Below that, you should see a slide here with teacher information, including your teacher's email address, phone number, and other contact information. Below that, you'll see a 9 weeks folder. First 9 weeks, second 9 weeks, third 9 weeks, fourth 9 weeks. You'll click on the current 9 weeks, and inside that 9 weeks folder, you'll see a week of folder for every week. Click on the current week, and inside of there, you'll see a daily folder. Click on the day of the week, and when the folder opens, you'll see your assignment or daily check-in. To navigate back to the main screen for this course, you can just click the breadcrumb trail at the top. You'll notice over here on the right-hand side of the screen, you have an upcoming. You can see upcoming assignments listed here. However, you will need to navigate to the daily folder to access all of the instructional resources and materials for each day. So don't rely on just the upcoming. On the right or left-hand side of the screen, you're going to see a Grades tab. You can come here to see grades for specific assignments. But as I mentioned earlier, to see the grades for all of your classes and the averages for your classes, you'll need to click the Gradebook tab or the Hack button or tile on the Northside portal. I'm headed back to the main screen, and we're going to look at a specific assignment that you might click on inside a daily folder. When your assignment opens up, if it is Schoology based, you'll see the assignment and you'll complete it here on the main screen. However, your teacher may have attached a Google Doc or a Google slideshow as part of the assignment. To access that, you can click on the My Document tab. Earlier, I mentioned the importance of opening the Google Gmail tab, authenticating through, and leaving that tab open. That will make sure that you are already signed in to Google and your assignment will populate here correctly. If you're not signed in with that tab open, you'll see an error screen here. Once the assignment opens, you can work on it right inside the Schoology tab. However, if the screen is small, you can always come up here to the top right corner and choose the Click Here tab. This will open the assignment in a new tab full screen. When you're ready to submit your work, however, you'll need to come back to the Schoology screen to click the Submit button. You can only submit an assignment inside of Schoology. You can click the title in the top left corner to navigate back to the course dashboard. To navigate to the main list of all your courses, just click Courses. You'll see all of your tiles here. You may also see a title for Library and a tile for Counseling. You can always click on your portal tab to navigate back to the main portal and access any of these resources. If you have any questions, please talk to your teacher.